Alright, here's take 2 of desoldering with the heat gun. It must have overheated or something because it stopped working. But turned off, unplug it, wait 5 minutes and it's back to life. So I'm using a 320-degree heat gun on my heat gun to desolder some ICs. And that's definitely hot air coming out of that gun, so that's good. So we're going to desolder the 3rd chip along from the left. Okay, that was just meant to lift off and it would have been so cool. Now the whole internet's watching and I messed it up. Damn. I think the flat blade technique might be the way to go for me. Because I'm lazy and this suction thing isn't quick enough. Yeah, let's go with the flat blade. So just wedge that under. Or above to swap hands. There we go. Oh, it's much better. Gently lift. 1 chip down. Look at that. Microchips in a sea of wood grain. Let's do another one just to prove it wasn't a fluke and that I'm awesome and that flat blades kick the crap out of suction pens. Come on, flat blade. We have some lifting. Don't want to damage the legs. Oh yeah! Smack down. Why stop there? There's one right on the end. Oh, this is too easy. All the legs are intact. Has anyone got a better challenge for me? It doesn't involve me winning. No, I'm just kidding. I like winning. I'm just going to do another couple of these. I don't know how I'm going to do this on quad flat packaging. Because it's got 4 sides. These only have 2. These are good quality Toshiba RAM chips. Let's sell these on the black market. Oh no, it does look like I am damaging some of the pins. That's alright though, because removing them, you're not going to be using them again. Crunchy. So remember to heat up the sides, not the top, or, I mean, if you were using these chips again, which I probably will, just to try resoldering them back onto the board. So 320 degrees Celsius was temperature of choice here for me. It has worked a charm. Look at that. Done. Whoa, 3rd hand is getting pretty hot, as is this RAM chip itself, and I can't release it, so I'll just, there we go. So it's still got RAM chips on that side. But now it's got none on this side. Technology. So good result there. Now I will move on to trying to reattach these. Gosh, they're thin. Oh, that one was really hot. Ow. Whew. 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 Hope you enjoyed my video. RetroJunkie.net for more cool things.